Are you tired of being self-conscious about your bad breath? Well, fear not, my friends, because today we're going to show you how to freshen up that breath and leave a lasting impression. Step 1. Brush your teeth. I know, it's obvious, but sometimes the most obvious things are the most important. Make sure to brush for at least 2 minutes and don't forget to brush your tongue too. Step 2. Floss. You know what they say, a floss a day keeps the bad breath away. It's true, flossing gets rid of all the gunk that your toothbrush can't reach. Step 3. Drink water. A hydrated mouth is a happy mouth, and a happy mouth is a fresh smelling mouth. So, drink up. Step 4. Use mouthwash. It's like a breath of fresh air for your mouth. Just make sure to use a mouthwash that has been approved by the American Dental Association. Step 5. Eat crunchy fruits and vegetables. Apples, carrots, celery, they all help to scrub away plaque and freshen up your breath. And there you have it. 5 easy steps to getting rid of bad breath. Now go out there and leave a lasting impression. Just make sure it's a good one. Also, don't miss out on any of our future videos. Subscribe now.